Okay, he has them all cleaned off. Now he'll clean up all the
Knots on them.
knots and everything like that. Okay, he's in the barn working on the bed on another day. Let's go see what he has done. Working on the planer, huh?
Yeah. Screwed too tight. I thought I had it backed off far enough. Up in there, it's real thick on that end.
Oh, okay.
So I've got to just take my time.
All right. So I can kind of, yeah, see how you've notched it in? Okay.
A new pretty cat born.
This one hasn't been, has it been notched?
It's been notched. All I got to do is drill a hole. I do with that other drill. I guess I ate it.
This big one?
Oh, it's over there.
Oh.
I wished that
Just need some more.
one of these days.
You
this
need
will
some
work
more
on a
stuff
nice
in
big
here.
barn, you know what? And you're standing there and said, when I see it, I'll believe it.
Yeah, that's exactly what I was thinking. Okay, now he's in the process of finding pieces to fit between the two, bottom and top rail.
Where the fun starts.
Yeah, where the fun starts.
Okay. So, if that's it, I need to sand that and clean it up and glue it and nail it. Cause I gotta build to it, and if I don't, it'll move and then I'm in trouble.
Okay,
You know what I mean?
uh-huh.
That would go up like that, that big knot would be up. Wouldn't. I have to cut that all. I'll be there. Maybe that might work. What do you think? See, that'll be cut off, we're butt
Yeah.
up against that.
Yeah, a lot smaller. I guess it doesn't matter.
No, I mean, you know,
Yeah, you work with what you have.
yeah. And
It's rustic,
then
yeah.
the next piece, since I got that one, the next piece would be this one to go up against this one
Uh-huh,
somehow.
yeah. Are you being nosy? I'm
What's that?
noisy. He's looking around. Got it? Whoa! I'll leave one.
Keep on toes.
Yeah, I liked it up in there. Gives it more character.
Well, that looks good to sit clear out there like that, doesn't it?
Yep.
I don't think I'll cut it anymore. I think that's where I'm gonna cut it to fit, right there.
I like it.
Sand it, clean her up. That decorated this end up.
Yep, it did.
Okay, that's ready to go in. Sand it down.
Yeah. It's finished except for getting, it's sanded down, right?
No,
Lauren.
I had a package of this stuff right here.
Oh, and the rats
I mean,
ate that?
They ate all of it.
Oh my
Little bags
goodness.
like this, I suppose there was about 15, 20 bags. I ain't seen very many rat dripers, so I think maybe,
They killed themselves.
huh?
They killed themselves.
Yeah. But that's, got her
Okay.
all together.
And it's sanded down?
All I gotta do is take 3 screws out there and 3 there and 4 up there and 4 there, and then it's in pieces. I got it pretty much sanded. Just need to put a house and,
Get
Do
it
it
in there
good.
where we can put the polyurethane on it.
uh-huh.
Gotta get it in the house where we can put the polyurethane on
Yeah.
it.
Well, couldn't do it today, probably.
Okay. Well, it's a massive piece of furniture, and it doesn't really show on here, but it's big.
Huh?
It's massive.
Yeah.
It's beautiful. Gonna be pretty when we get it.
Bed will come up right in here. I mean, the mattress someplace
Uh-huh.
in there.
Okay, we got it in here. It wasn't easy. I wonder how much that headboard weighs. He doesn't hear me.
What's that?
So I wonder how much that headboard weighs. how much it weighs.
Oh,
I mean,
probably about 180 pounds, something like that. It's just awkward to hang on to. If it was,
well, it's heavy.
yeah, it's heavy, but it's awkward and it makes it heavier.
Got it in here, and now we got to varnish it.
Huh? You want that light on? Or that? You alright?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go out here and get some long screws, I think.
Okay.
Out here.
Okay, next shot, I think it'll be after we get it finished and varnished. And then I'll show it, and then we'll have to take it. It was about, I think she's about 75 miles away. So we'll have to load it on a trailer and take it to them. All right, the next one's when it's finished. Okay, here's the bed. It is finished. It turned out beautiful. It'll probably sit here in the middle of the living room or between the kitchen and the dining room and the living room for a while till we can tear it apart, put it on a trailer, and have time to take a day and haul it down to her so she can have it. He does beautiful work. It's something he likes to do, but it is not easy to do, but he likes it. He has a talent for it, because each one of these pieces, he has to, well, like this right here, I'd hold it up, help him hold it up, and he'd mark with a pencil and different things and grind it and sand it and cut it down till it wedged in there and fit just right. And all of it's like that. I mean, everything he did, he had to do that way. And then this middle piece right here, he had this all done up, and the middle piece wasn't in there, and we decided it needed something in there, so we went and found that long log and put it in there. And I think it really set the bed off. Trying to take it easy, but gotta watch where I'm going. I'm backing up, but not bad for starting out with logs in the field that we went and gathered up. He done a beautiful job. All right, that's the bed. Till the next one. We'll see you later.